Good morning, dear tutor and classmates. My name is William Bendek. I'm a student at Industrial Engineering. I am about to describe the following image 10 sentence. For example, there is a picnic family in a beautiful green field. The father is putting at a new tent. There are 2 trees behind the house. The son, who is wearing a red shirt and blue jeans, is holding one at the tent pole. The black-haired dressed in a big shirt and red pants is holding a lamp illuminating her father. The mother, wearing a yellow shirt and blue short, heading inside the touch truck tent. There is a blue tent with yellow setup for the family picnic. A blue car is parked nearby, ready for their trips home. The family is enjoying a sunny day outdoors. There is a sense and unity and excitement as they bathe during this outdoor adventure. Now we describe the image in five sentences. Picture here is a family and picnic and picturesque green field. The father is the process at setting at a new blue and yellow tent with the help and his son. The black-haired dressed in a picture and red pants provide line with a lamp illuminating her father's touch. In the background, there is a house with trees and the scenic beauty and the landscape. The image conveys a warm sense and family togetherness and the anticipation and the joyful outdoor adventure. Thank you.